I wanted to talk to you guys about a new brand of resin that I am going to be trying. It's by Total Boat, and I wanted to try it out. It comes in two parts. Part A, and so this is one of the projects that I did with it. And as you can tell, it is clear. These are gold leaf flakes in it, but I didn't want it to leave it completely clear because it just looked really strange. So I added gold leaf. But I wanted to try out something different. And this is a phone stand I made. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I made this for my daughter. And just sit the phone on it like that. Isn't that pretty? And you can see all the gold leaf flakes in there. And that's a flower I put inside of there. And this is what it looks like. And then this was a pendant ball that I just made, put flowers in it, and then I attached it to it. This is one of the ones I made. And this is the one I made for myself. This was the one I made for my daughter. Hers is a little bit more fancier. And then this is the one I made for me with the little mermaid fishtail. And I put the same ball. And I added little high heel shoe embellishment. So I am going to post this video, and I hope you guys like the video. Let me know what you think. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that red notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload more videos. And as always, comment on my videos and leave a thumb up. Even if you don't comment, at least leave a thumbs up to let me know that you stopped by my page and you like what you saw. So enjoy this video. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Okay guys, well right now what I'm doing is getting some of my resin together. I have a mixture of my gold leaf paper and some glitter, gold glitter, a little bit of purple glitter, and this is just to kind of give it a more sparkly effect. I just didn't want just the flower in it by itself, so all I'm doing is just combining the resin with the glitter mixture. And, you know, I'm going to place this throughout the mold. I'm going to put some on the bottom. And I'm also going to add some more to the top. So right now, all I am doing is just adding a little bit of resin. Not a lot, because I just need a little just to place at the bottom. I don't want it to sort of float all to the top. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the bottom. And then I'm going to add my flower on top. Just to keep it from, like I said, floating to the bottom. Because these are so very, you know, light, that they tend to just float to the top of the resin. And so all I'm doing is just adding my gold leaf mixture, my glitter flakes to the bottom. And these will really stand out once I begin unmolding it. And I'm just attaching my flower on top, and I'm just doing this to kind of keep it situated so they won't float to the top. And then I've added some more resin, and I've added gold leaf paper to this as well. With this mold, all I did was just add clear resin and gold leaf paper. And then with the phone stand bottom part, I've just added a tiny bit of purple alcohol ink with gold leaf paper. Okay guys, it has been 24 hours since I've let this set, and this is what it looks like. It's very pretty, very glittery, and I like this resin. It really dried really clear, which is what I wanted. I didn't want any bubbles or any cloudy. So this is what it looks like, and I like this. I like the sparkle in it. Guys, make sure you are thumbing up this video if you like what you see so far. And if you're not a member of my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that red notification bell. So what I'm doing now is going on to step 3. I've already poured one with a purple tint, but this one I wanted it to be clear. So I just added gold leaf paper to it. Now, this is where the struggle came in at, because the struggle is real with this. You know, I was trying to be fancy, and I should have just left it sitting straight up, but I wanted it to come at an angle, and this was trying. But, you know, I managed to get it to stay up, and the finished result, once you see it, it will look gorgeous. But for now, what I'm trying to do is just kind of balance it so it won't fall down in there. I'm just thinking of a bunch of things that I could use to balance it. I didn't make one in advance, so that's why I kind of really didn't know. But I'm pulling it out right now and trying to figure out what else I could use. But so far, everything looks good. I like how this looks. That Total Boat epoxy resin looks really good and clear, and then um, the flower looks really pretty in there. So I'm gonna try and use another container to see if I can get it to sort of stand up on an angle, on a tilt. When I was making this, my daughter was like, "Mom, you don't need to be fancy. Just let it stay up. Just let it stand straight up." It's like, nope, nope, nope. I want it to be different. I just didn't want it to just stand straight up. And I wanted to have it at an angle. And I wanted to just sort of challenge myself. So I like trying different things. And these were a bunch of silicone molds, and I decided to put them all together to create one cohesive project. And so hopefully you guys are liking it, because this video, I always try things that just kind of work my nerves. But in the end, this was really, really fun. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm still trying to get this to balance. I feel like if I breathe too hard, it may slip and slide back into the resin. So I don't want it to get sticky and wet. So I'm just kind of trying to make sure it stays balanced. So I'm just holding my breath and trying anything that'll make it stay up. And then this is the pendant that I made, and I added some purple flowers on the inside of it. And all I'm going to do is just and I added a little bit of gold leaf flakes as well, just like I did with the other one. Oh, it slipped and fell, which is what I didn't want to happen. So, but eventually I did get it to set. I wound up putting a piece of tape on it, but it did work my nerves. And then once I'm done getting it to stabilize, I'm just going to add the pendant to the middle of it. And this is what it looks like. So it has officially been 24 hours since everything has completely cured, and it looks really, really great. I know it's simple, but I like it. I like the embellishments, and I like how clear it looks. No bubbles anywhere. All I see is my gold leaf. So I give this epoxy resin a thumbs up. And they're not paying me. They're not sponsoring me or anything. It's just a new brand that I was trying out, and I really like it. So this is what it looks like from the bottom. And what do you guys think? I hope you guys really like this video, because I had really fun time making it, just being creative, trying to figure out what I wanted to do next. I'm always buying silicone molds, and it's like, let me not buy anything. Let me see what I have and turn those into something. So, I hope you guys are liking this, and I really like this. And my daughter liked it as well. And it was fun to make. And then I made another one for myself. Mine wasn't as fancy. Mine's had a, mermaid tail on it. But basically, they were both the same. Hers just was a little bit more fancier. And I, attached some charms to it, some high heel charms. She's a little fancy girl. I made this for my daughter. And I put a charm on mine to a high heel charm, but all I want to do is just use my drill to kind of create a little hole, just so I can put my screw eye pin in and kind of dust it off. But I really had fun making this video, and I really liked it. And so now everyone wants me to make them a phone stand. I sent pictures to my family. So all my sisters want me to make them a phone stand. And my grandson wants a phone stand for his tablet now. So I have to make a bunch of phone stands. They probably won't be as embellished as this one. I may keep it a little bit more simple. But I have a lot more phone stands to make. Ever since I took the picture out, my family all wants one. But all I'm doing now is attaching my diamond charm. And then this is my high heel charm. And that's so pretty, purple high heel charm. I'm just going to attach it to it. It didn't really need it, but since I am being a little fancy, I figured why not. And all I'm doing is just using my jump ring, and I'm just kind of tightening it together. And this is what it looks like, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are thumbing up this video and leave it a comment. And I am offering membership on my channel, guys, if you're interested in becoming a member on my channel. But this is what the video looks like. So I hope you really like this video as much as I had fun making it. So thanks again, guys, for watching my video. And stay tuned to watch hopefully you watched the whole entire video and then skip through it. But thanks for stopping by, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for rambling on. Have a great day.